Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Trending on X after its release just 2 days ago on June 23, 2026, this paper shows how a structured training pipeline boosts an AI model to a 45% average accuracy across 7 benchmarks. These agentic models, which are systems that can actively plan and execute multi-step actions, show strong gains. The paper is titled OpenThoughts-Agent, Data Recipes for Agentic Models. Figure 1 displays the scaling behavior of their dataset across 3 benchmarks as the training size grows from 316 to 100,000 samples. On the left panel, focusing on SWE-Bench verified, the red curve representing their model achieves a strong 56% accuracy at the largest scale. In the middle plot, the red line shows a clear advantage on Terminal Bench 2.0. Finally, the right plot averages all benchmarks, confirming that this supervised fine-tuning data recipe scales consistently better than alternative open datasets. While Figure 1 illustrated the training scaling behavior, Table 1 details the final benchmark numbers across all 7 tasks. OpenThoughts-Agent 32B, which is trained on 100,000 supervised fine-tuning examples, leads the field with a 45% average accuracy. This model clearly outperforms Nemotron-Terminal 32B, which used more than twice as much training data. The author's model excels on core tasks like SWE-Bench verified, scoring 54%, and maintains high performance even on out-of-distribution evaluations, which are testing tasks outside of its specific training set. Table 1 detailed the final benchmark numbers, showing exactly how well the model performs. Figure 2 illustrates the structured 6-stage supervised fine-tuning data pipeline used to achieve those results. The process begins by sourcing, mixing, and filtering tasks to create a diverse foundation. Next, the pipeline generates rollouts, which are sequential actions or steps an artificial intelligence model takes to solve a problem, and then filters them to retain only high-quality trajectories. Selecting the best teacher model ultimately leads to the final training recipe. Figure 3 highlights the scaling limits of different data generation strategies across 3 benchmarks. The pink line representing Method 1, which simply upsamples more rollouts for the same tasks, plateaus or drops as the dataset reaches 100,000 rows. In contrast, Method 3, shown in blue, uses synthetic task augmentation to keep improving accuracy. This scaling divergence demonstrates that task diversity, rather than just more execution paths, is crucial for scaling up agentic performance. So, Figure 4 maps out this final data generation pipeline, showing how those 4 sources become the 100,000 supervised fine-tuning traces. On the left, we see the initial task distribution, containing SWE Smith, issue tasks, Stack Exchange Superuser, and the augmented Stack Exchange Tezos set. Moving from left to right, the pipeline applies weighted upsampling, generates traces, and filters short rollouts. Finally, the final mix on the right shows a balanced output, where each source contributes 21,000 to 25,000 high-quality trajectories. Well, Table 10 shifts our focus to the 8 billion parameter scale, detailing how reinforcement learning, which is a method where an agent learns through trial and error reward signals, stacks up against supervised fine-tuning. The first column highlights the OpenThoughts-Agent cold supervised fine-tuning plus reinforcement learning model, which leads the pack with an average score of 28%. This top performer achieves 14% on Terminal Bench 2.0 and 32% on SWE-Bench verified. Combining these 2 training stages, supervised fine-tuning and reinforcement learning, clearly yields a more robust agentic model than either method alone. This work demonstrates that systematic data curation, especially prioritizing task diversity and combining supervised fine-tuning with reinforcement learning, is crucial for scaling up agentic capabilities. These open data recipes provide a clear blueprint for training more capable, generalized artificial intelligence agents. That is all for now. Alex here from the AI Research Roundup. Catch you next time.